Hello or Namaskar, मैं हूँ Rahul and we are in Bangalore for Culinary to take a complete culinary experience of this city. And we are right now at a very nostalgic place which was built in 1943 and still is there the same way it was in 1943. And that is quite a remarkable place. So please follow me and let's go enjoy the nostalgia and savor into their great flavors. Please follow me. Nestled in the vibrant, colorful streets of Baswantpuri, especially dazzling during the festival season, is a place that's more than just a restaurant, it's a piece of Bangalore's soul. Welcome to the vibrant Vidyarthi Bhavan. The story begins not with just a grand vision. In the early 1940s, Venkat Ramana from his Salir Gama saw a need with a simple and heartful mission to find hungry students of the nearby National College, Acharya Patashala. What started as a humble canteen was the seed from which the legend would grow. This was an era when dining out was a rarity, a special occasion. Under the care of Venkat Ramana's brother Parameshwara Ural, this little eatery began to bloom, its reputation spreading far beyond school gates. In the 1970s, new custodians arrived. Ramakrishna Adiga took over the reins. But here, the beautiful part. While the management changed, the soul of Vidyarthi Bhavan did not. The name, the time-honored traditions, the secret recipes, even the dedicated staff all remain. That unwavering consistency is the very reason for its profound popularity. The overflowing demand, its most prudent evidence, a taste that has never wavered. Standing right where it all began, Vidyarthi Bhavan is consciously changed very little. Sure, there have been minor upgrades for comfort, but its essential characteristics beautifully preserved. The legacy continues today with Ramakrishna Adige and his son Arun continues to serve up history on a plate. So the next time you are in Baswantpuri, step inside. You are not just having a meal, you are tasting a legacy. You know that feeling when you walk into a place, you are immediately hit with the wave of history. That's Vidyarthi Bhavan. It's like walking straight back into time. The walls, if the theory could talk, would be stories, first dates, college friends making plans, families sharing generations of laughter. You don't just see the nostalgia, you breathe it within the scent of ghee and roasting spices. Wow, in just once you enter, it hits you. What you get to taste is just ghee, and that is it. Let me take another mouthful. Wow, just amazing. Loving it. Simple, straight, plain dosa, mildly flavored potato, loaded with ghee. And if you're a ghee lover, this is the place to come and do a dosa. It's so crispy, believe it or not. Superman, loaded with ghee. Thank you. Mm. I've tasted nothing like this. This is crunchy to the core, and still you have a mild softness inside. Again, what I see here is those minute details of putting every ingredient separately and giving it a separate flavor. I can get the coriander leaf, I can get the green chili, and I can get also the onion plus the rava, which is just awesome. So, alright, to the historical place, a historical Karabar to try. Let's go for it. just awesome. Too good. It has ginger, the richness, and feels so organic. You can get pieces of ginger, garlic, the pulse, the curry leaf, everything separate, just amazing guys. I vouch for this. You come to Vidyarthi Bhavan before the dosa, I think Karabat is too good and it's a must. So let's try the famous Bangalore vada also. They call it the Uddin vada here. Nice, soft, not as crispy as what I expected, but still nice, for sure. Yeah. Let me take in some chutney for this. They have put a green chili pulse chutney. Yeah, which is again not off the runner. Thank you. So here we are. They have showcased all the landmarks in and around, and Vidyarthi Bhavan being right in the center of all the landmarks from those days and still exists right here. This area has not changed by much. I've enjoyed the nostalgic, high quality food which is built in 1943 and still exists, and they've maintained the quality. And I hope you guys come here and enjoy and relish the ambience and the taste of whatever quality they throw at you. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this program. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you. Have a great day.